we want to see if your foam ball will roll across it, and then we're going to try a tennis ball. Okay? So you want to get 2 of these things to roll all the way across your bridge. So the last thing we're going to write on in our book is we need 2 out of 3 items to go across our bridge. We need 2 out of the 3. Then you know that your bridge works. Because if everything falls off of it, do you want to be on a bridge that falls down? No. You want a really strong, sturdy bridge. You got all that down, Dion? Yes, Mr. Armand. You done? All right, hold on. Hold tight for us. When you finish, go ahead and reread our big problem, just so you know that you are ready to solve it. Make sure that you know what the big problem in our town of Blue Ridge is. You are going to be our problem solvers today. We've got a few people finishing up. Go ahead and reread the problem up there, since you're ready to solve it.
Okay guys, so now that you know what you have to do, you're going to be the 3 companies in charge of making this work. But right now, we don't know what to call you, so we're just going to say, hey, you guys, and then, hey, you people, and then, hey, this table. So instead of doing that, I want you guys to come up with a company name. So we can say, hey, our last company name, we had Pirates. So we call them the Pirates, and we see what the Pirates developed as a bridge. So I want you to talk in your group about what could your company name be. That would be a little bit closer.
Once you come up with a company name that you all agree on, write it on the top of your paper. Write it on the top of that. Go ahead and talk as a team.
What do you think?
Newborn.
Newborn? Newburn. What do you think?
Swordfishes. Okay, what's your idea?
A what? What kind of team name do you think would be a good company?
Okay, Ashley.
Hey, I started up a kid out and we make it so that and stuff.
Okay. We have Killer Hawks.
Any other ideas?
Laura. The thing is,
Let's see
we
the
want
rockets.
to
Go ahead and write it. This
everybody
page, you're going to write it right here on the top of your
So what can we do?
go rockets. This is name right
We
here.
could. Let's put on some team names.
The rockets.
What were our ideas again?
Newborn,
Killer Hawks Pirate.
R-O-C-K.
Killer Hawks
T-S.
Pirates.
C in front of that K.
Aurora and
In
Newburn.
front of it,
Are those the 3?
I'll tell you in a little bit.
I guess
What do you guys
it's
think?
Bridge.
Alright, what's our name?
I guess
What's
it's
our
Bridge
company
Makers.
name?
You guys
I
think
want
of
to be the ice
Aurora?
cream team.
What do you guys think of Newburn?
What do you think of ice cream team? How about Ice Bridge?
Zero votes
Ice
for
Bridges.
Newburn. How about
Put them together.
Pirates?
What do you think? You like that one? Okay. Let's write that on the top of our paper.
For sure.
You with me?
Would that be okay? Would you be okay with that? So the top of your page.
Very nice. Okay, so next thing you guys are gonna start doing is you're gonna draw a picture of a bridge at the bottom of your sheet. Okay? And label, so if you draw,
You're gonna do it right here.
whatever you draw, let's pretend that I don't know what you're drawing. You label the different parts. So tell me what the different parts of your bridge are. So what are those tall things you just drew, Blaine?
Stable things.
Okay? So maybe you can just write, nope, is that the, can you write, tell me what those are? Draw like a little arrow and write stable. Write it down. That's a good name for it. It doesn't have to be the right name, as long as you and I both know what that means. What are these? What are these little? Okay, can you write that for me so that I know what it is? And then what is your bridge going over there, Armand? A river. Okay, so your bridge is going to get us across a river. Blaine, what do you think your bridge is going to get us across?
An ocean.
An ocean. Okay, what else could a bridge get us across?
A sea.
Okay, water, what else? Have you ever seen one bridge go on top of other cars?
We need to come up with a.
Okay, what about a forest?
Before.
What if animals wanted to go underneath it? Do you think the bridge could go over the forest so that they don't hurt any of the animals by building a
You guys
road?
can only build one bridge.
Okay.
What's the first step to building a bridge?
You have to make the things to hold them up.
Do you know a secret? The first part to building a bridge is not building a bridge. You have to come up with a plan first. So right here at the bottom of your page, you got a big area that you can plan. I want you to design a bridge. And you have all the right things. You're talking about things and you're talking about roads. Draw a picture of it. I want you to draw a picture of what kind of bridge. And once you have a picture, Killer Hawk Pirate is going to decide on one picture to draw to make come to life. So the first thing I need you to do is plan. Come up with a plan. Draw a picture of a bridge that you think you can build.
2 items, 3 items to really
Good job, you didn't even have to read that from your bulletin.
You're at the design phase. Go ahead and draw a picture of a
Okay,
bridge.
so what do you think people do when they need to build something?
they make a diagram.
Can you label them?
Not diagram,
Can you tell me what they're doing? So that's a pretty important thing. It's very important. It's a really good thing that you
A
include it
drawing,
in the
what do you
bridge.
think they do?
Otherwise your bridge would be what? Would it be doing this?
What do you think people do first?
It needs this, and
They
they
want
want
to
to
see the
bridge
bridge
strong.
Do they just start building it?
They can.
Right, Ashley? What would happen if you had ideas?
Well, you are absolutely right. First thing you need to do is draw a bridge. So, what each one of you, the space that's right below your bulleted list, I want you to draw a design of the bridge, okay? Anything you want. You want to think about how bridges are made and what components make up a bridge, and I want you to draw it for me. Right here. Decide how you want to do it. So after you're done drawing your bridges, we're going to vote and decide which bridge design we're going to go with as a company.
So this is
Which
the
one
stuff
we're
that you
gonna
guys
build.
have. You have clay. You have, well, what is this one? We can't use it to build it. What would this call it?
The measure.
Measure, right? So you've got big pockets.
And you talked about a diagram. So diagrams are
hard
what?
paper. So now they label things, right?
So make sure you label the bridge for me. Tell me what things are, so that when you tell a company about it, you can explain to them what certain things are you drew.
Okay, next.
Oh wow, what's this? This right here.
It's the bottom part that support these.
So what's the bridge going over? What's the bridge going over? Well, what's below the bridge?
It's the road that other people call.
Oh, there's another road underneath? Okay. What is your bridge going over? Is there anything under the bridge?
Take a walk around up to that table.
No?
Look with your eyes.
Water. Ooh, some of the things you can use. Come on, go ahead, Blaine. What are some things you can use to build your bridge? What does your bridge go under? See that?
These are all, this is your bridge?
No.
thick paper. How thick it is.
And tell me about this bridge. Where's the road? Which one's the road?
So what are you gonna make?
And what's all the rest of it?
Things are you gonna use? What are you thinking about?
Can you show me where the cars drive on the bridge?
What do you think the ruler died for? Why did they put rulers there?
Do you want to draw another one on this side?
Yeah, that's right. So you can measure it 6 inches tall and 3
Well, what do you think bridges mean? What do they mean in order to
For
be a
the
bridge?
roads
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay, so we know we need a road.
put some.
Does a road just float in the air?
You wanna build